Me now at the Kayang village. We are coming for a conference, and I come to wait for my friend. They'll come in here in the railway station that see dkhar. Yes. Now the train was come, man, bro, and my friend will come now. Unless I'll go and receive them. India flag. Hey, मेरा भाई लोग आ गया. कैसे हो भाई? Seriously, guys, now. We are going to the market, me and this bro to the market, and me also I want to go to the market. And please guys and see how we'll go and see what the people, my bro, my backside see. And their side, so there is the people. And we walk here, very difficult to walk because we never walk this road, like this kind of road, and that's why very difficult to walk, bro. And everybody that you see, and please what the cameraman also there is in here, and this fellow see, wow, how he post that a nice post, nah. Many people, man, bro. In here the railway track. See all these cutie girls also going to the market. See this right?
Hi. Hi, I'm new to this YouTuber.
This is called my subscriber. This. ये क्या तरीका है भाई? ये कौन सा तरीका है? Wow.
Aktor aktris yang kat yang tu ni. Oh ya, jelas sekali lah aktor aktris.
Dia kan makan sana mereka, eh? Dot lah sini, ada slipar. Dot lah sini, eh. Dot lah sini, lihat tu non. Mana slipar ni?